Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Chevy Equinox headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and removing the negative battery terminal. Open the hood, locate the headlight assembly, and identify the bulb housing. Remove the housing cover, unplug the connector, and twist out the old bulb gently. Install the new bulb by avoiding touching the glass, reconnect, test the light, and secure the housing. Gather the right tools and pick the correct bulb for your Equinox trim. You will typically need gloves, a 10mm socket, and a flat screwdriver. Check your owner manual or existing bulb to confirm H11 or 9005 fits your model. Avoid touching the bulb glass with bare hands to prevent premature failure. Keep a cloth and dielectric grease handy for connectors. Work patiently and test bulbs carefully before final reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving for car repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate your time. Now let's get back to the video. With battery disconnected, locate the headlight access point behind the assembly. Remove any retaining clips or screws securing the housing and slide the assembly forward carefully. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the tab and pulling straight out. Note bulb orientation to match when installing the new one. Replace the bulb, reconnect the harness, and test the light before securing the housing and reattaching screws. Finish by reconnecting the battery and checking beam alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.